Alright, Aspire Mineral Paint, a real clay chalk and mineral based paint. We have sprayed this chair and the fabric with our Aspire Color Inspire, with our sprayer with compressor, diluted 30-40% with water. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of white to some details. We are using the color Innocence, which is Aspire's white. And as you can see, I'm just brushing it over in a few little spots. You can see how easy it is to make a really cool layered look by the brush of the hand. Simple, quick brush. Now I'm going to let that dry. Maybe about 20 minutes and I'll be back to sand. Alright, so when sanding Aspire, because it is a real clay, chalk, and mineral based paint, no latex, no acrylic. If I want to sand to get a smooth finish, this is all it is. Quick once over with the sanding block is all it takes. No crazy sanding to get you stressing or anything like that. I'm going to sand my fabric. And that's it, sanding is done. Time to put on our clear coat sealer. Okay, and we're going to be sealing our chair with nothing other than the Aspire Top Coat, which is a fantastic clear liquid sealer. A couple coats of this, there forever, never evaporates. It is a lot more durable than wax, that's for sure. And especially for fabric, you want to seal that paint in there. Right, you see exactly where that liquid sealer is going to go. This is going to seal the stained fabric that we've stained with our diluted gray paint. And I'm just going to brush this on, and then I'm just going to walk away and let it dry. A couple coats of that, the fabric will be safe, and it will not harden. This is beautiful soft fabric right now. That's it. Now brush this on sparingly. Or I should say generously. I'm going just to let it soak in. Alright, I'll continue on finishing the chair and I'll be back.